Today I'm going to do another video, which is a squishy collection video. And yeah, and all squishies are in this plastic bag. I'm going to buy a bin for all squishies. So yeah, okay. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I have in my collection is this Hello Kitty Swiss roll. This is from Squishy Pinky, and it's so squishy. It's so squishy. Next, we have a Capybara San head bun squishy. This is from Curly for a Star, and this is super squishy and super surprising. That's that. Next, we have a bagel squishy from KK Homes. This is so squishy. Next, we have a Millie. This is from Cupcake Store Aisha. Next, we have a stitched toast from Curly for a Store. This is not that squishy. Okay, next we have a churro from Curly for a Star. Next, you have a OK Ding Dong pet from Squishy Pinky. This is like close to a EQ Pretty. Next, we have a Hello Kitty face head pal from Squishy Pinky. Next, we have a Muji Mountain, and this is from Dina Fina. This is not that squishy, actually. Not that squishy. Next, we have a sea snake squishy from Aquaria. Next, we have a Hello Kitty Jumbo Mushroom from Squishy Pinky. It's super squishy. Next, we have a milk bun, and this is from Dina Fina. Next, we have a baguette from KK Homes. Next, we have a Hello Kitty donut from Curly for a Star. Next, we have a Nikiru from Curly for a Star.
Next, we have Mommy.
Next, we have a face bun from Curly for a Star. Next, we have a Eat Me cookie from Cupcake Store Aisha.
We have Mommy again.
Next, we have a steam bun from Dina Fina. It's actually a trade from her. She gave it to me as a trade for a Hello Kitty donut. So Okay. Next we have a kawaii, it's an onion from Dina Fina. This is softer than the Emoji Mountain, but still not that squishy. Next we have a mini bed face from Cubix. Next we have a Hello Kitty cream puff from, I don't know what the name of the store is. So. Next we have a cinema roll from Dina Fina. She gave it to me. My second squishy ever. Next we have a blush bun, and this is the mini one from Dina Fina. She gave it to me. Next we have a Next we have a Hello Kitty donut cupcake from Dina Fina. Next, the second last squishy. Oh wait, yeah, sorry. It's the last. This is then we have a it's a Aoyama waffle from Squishy Pinky, the mini keychain version kind. Okay. Next we have the second last squishy is this Vita Kuma cream puff from Kawaii 4-star. This is super squishy. And then the last squishy we have is this Rita Kuma loaf bread from the random store. Again, I forgot the name of the store. The same thing like I bought from the this.
That is real hot.
Super squishy. Okay guys, so that's all my squishies. See, no more. Just flakes from the donut. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, comment, like, and more. Bye bye.